Hi dear students, have you ever practiced a habit for 21 days? Do you know the effect of practicing a habit for 21 days? Whatever you want to do in the life, whatever you want to achieve in the life, that comes through a regular habit. For example, waking up in the morning. Everybody thinks to wake up in the morning around 5 a.m. or 6 a.m., but it never happens generally. But try to practice it like a 21 days practice. At any cost, try to practice as 21 days. Then it will become a part of your life. It will become a regular thing of your life. The reason behind this 21 days practice is, the reason for this particular 21 days practice is, I believe there is a habit formation is a function of three criteria. One thing is a level of commitment. Second thing is internal and external accountability, and the third thing is the size of the habit. Suppose you are having a habit of completion of syllabus in the 21 days. Divide that particular syllabus 30%, 50%, 60%, 100%. And you must be accountable to yourself and to your parents or to your organization. And the level of commitment is most important. So if you have it, these three things, level of commitment, internal and external accountability, and the size of the habit, and if you regularly practice these 21 days, and definitely you are going to achieve the things whatever you want in the life. So try to implement. I am also following this 21 days practice. Whatever you want to do, please practice it for 21 days, then it will become a regular thing of your life. I wish you all the best. Get Academy.